Hello everyone, how are you today? For a month ago, I dropped my lens, Canon standard lens 1855, and after that the zoom lens it's not working at all, as you see. In this video, I'm just trying to discover what's inside the lens and if I can fix it, so it's well done. So keep watching.
Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Here we have 4 screws. We need to unscrew it first. And then take out this stickering, as you see. After that, we need to pull out the front lens. This is the front lens actually, but it's very dirty. See how dirty it is. I need to clean it, but I will do it later in this video. Let's continue now. Here we have 2 tiny screws. Unscrew it. And now take out this plastic cover. Now we have 3 screws. Unscrew all the 3. And now we have 5 flat wires that we need to disconnect it, as you see in this picture. Just like that. And now, wait, I have these 2 pieces that actually loosen from somewhere, but I will find out later. Wait a second. I have this one also. What is this? But actually, this one is broken from somewhere. It's not loosened. As you see, this plastic part is broken. So I will figure out later. Let's continue now. Now take out this circuit board. Now we need to pull out this middle lens. I think it's called middle lens. Anyway, this one looks amazing actually. Do you see? And here we have a tiny motor. Do you see this? This tiny motor actually controls this one. And this it's called aperture or f-point. So this, when it's open, more light will come in, and when it's closed, less light will come in. Give it a little bit push here, and here we have another motor that controls the autofocusing actually. And actually I found the damaged part, this one. actually it's fit here. Do you see that? So first I'm gonna unscrew this one, and then this plastic part I need to put it in place. I will use a super limb. Just put little bit, don't use too much. Put it in place and give it a little bit push. Wait a few minutes and you are good to go. Now it's in place. And this one should fit here. Now we need to take out this covering. Just twist it and now it's out. Then the focus ring. But first we need to disconnect this one. As you see, we have two connectors here. Just give it a little bit push and now it's out. Then take out the zoom ring. And this one actually the plastic body of the lens. After that we need to take out this rubber ring. Actually this one is the last part, so it's time to assemble all parts together. So first I'm gonna start with the middle lens. Clean the lens before you put it in place. Just give it a little bit push and that's it. Now do you see this hole and that damaged part? Actually we need to match it together, and then this middle ring we'll put it in place here and screw it in place. Now it's in place actually. But actually the wires, it's inside. I need to pull it out. Do it carefully so you don't damage the wires. And now we need to put all three screws in place. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. As I said, clean the lens every step you do. This is very important. And now put back the rubber ring. Actually, it's working. I think so. We are not done yet. And now put back the focus ring and push back these two connectors in place. Just give it a little bit push. After that, take this covering, put it in place and twist it just like that. Actually, I found this one where it should be. This should be in the front lens from the inside, as you see. Actually, it should be like that, as you see in this picture. So after that, we need to put back the front lens. Just like that. And now it's in place. Wow, it's working. When I started this video, it wasn't working, but now the zoom is working. Let's continue now. Now put the circuit board in place, connect all the 5 wires, and now put this plastic cover back. Screw these tiny screws. And then put back the stickering, clean the lens, and now it's time to test.
It was very interesting to see what inside this lens. Now it's working, as you see. Do you see here? It's working. But I don't know if it's working on the camera. Just 1 second. Oh, it's working, as you see. Autofocus, it's working. And let's see here. Yeah. And I need to test the manual focus also. So let's test it. So that was for today. If you like it, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Bye for now.